Hi friends, I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse. Today we are on the Everglades 315 and I cannot wait to show you some of my favorite features on this amazing boat. At the bow of the boat, Everglades has given you spacious seating with a forward lounge, tons of cup holders, charging ports. For a 31-foot center console, this 315 has the best-in-class storage so you can enjoy your day on the water. The Everglades 315 stands with a length overall with motors at 33 feet 9 inches, a 10-foot 4-inch beam. Hull draft's going to be 23 inches. Your wet weight is 14,250 pounds, fuel capacity of 300 gallons, and your bridge clearance of 8 feet 6 inches. Everglades has dedicated storage for you where you can put your dock lines, your life vest, and all your tackle. Now at the helm of the Everglades 315, you'll find the Garmin 8616s. Already comes with Mercury Skyhook technology, zip wake, trim tabs, secondary switching, and a great feature I love for us that are a little more height restricted is a flip down step. And they're patented windshield. I love these release marine seats on the Everglades 315. It gets you adjustability on the bolsters and armrests. You can also move these seats forward and backwards. The Everglades 315 gets you a very spacious head. With a 6-foot clearance, it also gives you accessibility to all the electronics. This mezzanine seating area provides tons of features: adjustable bolsters, armrests, a built-in cooler, and a freshwater and raw water hose reels that reach 25 feet. When you're ready to go fishing and the bite is hot, the seats just fold away and gives you access to an enormous transom with twin pressure-tight 25-gallon live wells, electric reels, and kill boxes in the floor. I love how quiet these twin Mercury V10 400s are, but what I also love is that you have an option for an engine reverso flush system, just to make the end of day very easy. If you live in Southwest Florida, this Everglades 315 is going to deliver the lifestyle you're looking for. I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you want more information on this incredible boat, and we will see you on the water.